Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add full-width images in Wix using strips. This is a fantastic way to create those eye-catching hero sections or image banners that span across your entire website, giving your site a professional and polished look. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you'll see various options for managing your site. On the left navigation menu, look for the option that says Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear with a few choices. From here, go ahead and click on Website to access your website settings. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can see all your website settings. This is where you want to make sure that you're working on the correct website where you wish to add that full-width image using a strip. It's always good to double-check this before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right site, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the actual editor where all the magic happens. Click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is the main workspace where you can drag, drop, and customize all elements of your site. On the left navigation panel, locate and click on the Add Element button. This opens up a world of possibilities for adding various components to your website. The Add Element menu will expand, revealing a comprehensive list of elements you can work with. From this menu, look for the Strip element. Strips are incredibly useful because they automatically stretch to fill the full width of your website. Since we're looking to add an image, the best choice here would be Classic Strip. Select it to continue. Now it's time to place your strip on the website canvas. Simply drag the strip element and drop it onto your page at the ideal spot where you want your full-width image to appear. You have complete control over the placement, so take a moment to position it exactly where you envision it. Once you've added the strip to your canvas, double-click on it to open the customization window. Under the strip customization window, you'll notice you have three options for what content to place within this strip. You can use an image, a color, or even a video. Since we're specifically looking to add an image, focus on the image section. You can scroll down to see default or pre-added images that Wix provides, which can save you time if you're looking for something quick and professional. Alternatively, click on the image area to access media from Wix's library or upload your own custom image from your computer. Once you've selected an image, you'll immediately see that it automatically stretches to match your website's full width. This is a default function that Wix has built into its strip element, which is exactly why strips are so perfect for creating those stunning full-width visuals. The image will seamlessly span across the entire screen, creating that professional, modern look that really makes your content stand out. And there you have it. You've successfully added a full-width image to your Wix website using strips. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.